इस सीरीज का सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है और आज ये क्वेश्चन हिस्ट्री से लिया गया है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द ब्राह्म समाज? ऑप्शन इज स्वामी विवेकानंद, राजा राम मोहन राय, दयानंद सरस्वती एंड बाल गंगाधर तिलक। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, राजा राम मोहन राय। नेक्स्ट, who is known as the grand old man of India? Option is Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Correct answer is option C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Next, who was the leader of the Indigo Rebellion? Option is Birsa Munda, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Digambar Vishwas and Mughal Pandey. Correct answer is option C, Digambar Vishwas. Next, the Indigo Rebellion took place in which year? Option is 1859 to 1860, 1857, 1865, 1870. Correct answer is option A, 1859 to 1860. Next, who introduced the Mahalwari system? Option is Lord Hastings, Holt Maxine, Warren Hastings, Lord Curzon. Correct answer is option B, Holt Mackenzie. Next, the Khilafat movement was launched in response to which event? Correct answer is option D, end of Ottoman Caliphate. Next, the Vernacular Press Act was repealed in which year? 1880, 1882, 1885, 1890. Correct answer is option B, 1882. Next, who was the last Viceroy of India before independence? Lord Wavell, Lord Curzon, Lord Mountbatten and Lord Ripon. Correct answer is option C, Lord Mountbatten. Next, the Quit India resolution was passed in which session of the Congress? Option A, Karachi, B, Lahore, Bombay and Calcutta. Correct answer is option C, Bombay. Next, the partition of Bengal was annulled in which year? Option is 1909, 1911, 1913 and 1915. Correct answer is option B, 1911. Next, who wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, who among the following was the leader of the Santhal rebellion? Option A, Birsa Munda, B, Sidhu and Kanhu, C, Rani Lakshmibai and D, Tanya Tope. Correct answer is option B, Sidhu and Kanhu. Next, the dual government in Bengal was established by Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings, Robert Clive, Lord Dalhousie. Correct answer is option C, Robert Clive. Next, the Regulating Act was passed in which year? 1773, 1784, 1793, 1830. Correct answer is option A, 1773. Next, the first Anglo-Afghan war took place during whose reign? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Auckland, Lord Curzon. Correct answer is option C, Lord Auckland. Next, who started the Young Bengal movement? Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Henry Louis Vivian DeRozier, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Henry Louis Vivian DeRozier. Next, who founded the Arya Samaj? Option A, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer is option B, Dayanand Saraswati. Next, The All India Muslim League was founded in which year? Option A 1904, 1906, 1908, 1910. Correct answer is option B 1906. Next, the Treaty of Lahore was signed after which war? Option A First Anglo-Sikh War, Second Anglo-Sikh War, First Anglo-Maratha War, Third Anglo-Sikh War. Correct answer is option A First Anglo-Sikh War. Next, who was the first Indian woman to be elected as the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Option A Sarojini Naidu, B Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, C Annie Besant, and D Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is option B Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Next, the civil disobedience movement was launched in which year? Option A 1930, 1929, 1931, 1935. Correct answer is option A 1930. Next, the Carnatic War were fought between which two powers? Option A British and Portuguese, option B French and Dutch, option C British and French, and option D Marathas and Portuguese. Correct answer is option C British and French. Next, which of the following acts introduced the principle of responsible government in India? Option A Government of India Act 1919, Indian Counselling Act 1909, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947. Correct answer is option A Government of India Act 1919. Next, the Rayatwari system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis, Thomas Munro, Lord Curzon, Warren Hastings. Correct answer is option B Thomas Munro. Next, the revolt of 1857 started in which city? Delhi, Meerut, Kanpur, Lucknow. Correct answer is option B Meerut. Next, which event marked the start of the non-cooperation movement? Option A Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Partition of Bengal, Simon Commission, Rowlatt Act. Correct answer is option A Jallianwala Bagh. Next, what was the capital of the Vijayanagar Empire? Option A Hampi, B Bijapur, C Golconda, and D Mysore. Correct answer is option A Hampi. Next, who was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress? Option A Sarojini Naidu, B Annie Besant, C Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, and D Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is option B Annie Besant. Next, in which year did the Battle of Buxar take place? Option A 1764, 1757, 1775, 1782. Correct answer is option A 1764. Next, who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? Option A Warren Hastings, B Lord Cornwallis, C Lord Curzon, or D Lord Wellesley. Correct answer is option B Lord Cornwallis. Next, when was the Battle of Plassey fought? 1757, 1764, 1775, 1857. Correct answer is option A 1757. Next, who was the leader of the Khilafat movement in India? Option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Ali brothers. Correct answer is option D Ali brothers. Next, where did Mahatma Gandhi launch the Salt March? A. Kheda, B. Champaran, C. Sabarmati Ashram, and D. Dandi. Correct answer is option D. Dandi. Next, the Simon Commission was sent to India in which year? Option A 1925, 1927, 1928 and 1929. Correct answer is option D, 1928. Next, who was the last Governor General of India? Option C, Rajagopalachari, B, Lord Mountbatten, C, Lord Curzon, and D, Warren Hastings. Correct answer is A, C, Rajagopalachari. Next, the Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? 1917, 1919, 1920, 1922. Correct answer is option B, 1919. Next, which Indian ruler fought against the British in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War? Option A, Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, Rani Lakshmibai, Peshwa Bajirao. Correct answer is option B, Tipu Sultan. Next, who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Option A, Akbar, Babur, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan. Correct answer is option B, Babur. Next, who led the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? Option A, Rani Lakshmibai, B, Tania Tope, and C, Bahadur Shah Jafar, and D, Nana Sahib. Correct answer is option D, Nana Sahib. Next, in which year was the Quit India movement launched? Option A, 1940, 1941, 1942, 1943. Correct answer is 1942. Next, who started the Home Rule League movement in India? A, Mahatma Gandhi, B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C, Subhash Chandra Bose, and D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next, which battle marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India? Option A, Battle of Plassey. Option B, Battle of Buxar. Option C, First Battle of Panipat, and option D, Battle of Haldi Ghati. Correct answer is option C, First Battle of Panipat. Next, who was the viceroy during the partition of Bengal in 1905? A, Lord Curzon, B, Lord Lytton, C, Lord Ripon, and D, Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer is Lord Curzon. Next, the Treaty of Srirangapattam was signed after which war? Option: First Anglo-Maratha War, Third Anglo-Mysore War, First Anglo-Sikh War, and D, Second Anglo-Mysore War. Correct answer is option B, Third Anglo-Mysore War. Next, what was the main objective of the Vernacular Press Act of 1878? Promote regional languages, suppress freedom of the Indian press, spread English education, encourage Indian newspaper. Correct answer is option B, suppress freedom of the Indian press. Next, who among the following was not a part of the Triple Alliance during the First Anglo-Maratha War? Option A, the British, B, the Peshwa, C, the Nizam, and D, the Nawab of Bengal. Correct answer is option D, the Nawab of Bengal. Next, who was the first Governor General of independent India? Option A, Lord Mountbatten, B, Rajendra Prasad, C, Rajagopalachari, and D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is A, Lord Mountbatten. Next, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? Option A, 1919, 1920, 1915, and 1918. Correct answer is option A, 1919. Next, the doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon, Lord Hastings. Correct answer is option A, Lord Dalhousie. Next, who introduced the subsidiary alliance system in India? Option A, Lord Hastings, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer is option C, Lord Wellesley. This is last. We see you next video. Bye bye.